Hello everybody, I hope you're all well. So I'm back with another video, and today our topic is all about sensory play. How it helps child develop their skills, why is it important, what activities you can do and how you can do. So I will be discussing all the important factors, so stick to all of them. The last one is my favorite factor, and I think that's the most important one while planning activities for the children to develop sensory play. So let's start. So the importance of the sensory play in early years development. Sensory play is a cornerstone of early child development, offering far more than just entertainment. The hands-on approach of learning engages a child's senses: touch, taste, smell, sight and hearing, and lays the foundation for essential cognitive, social, emotional, and physical growth. So now I hope you know why sensory play is important. This it does not just only engages them into healthy activities, but it also develops their five senses. Okay, so the first point is enhance cognitive skills. Sensory skills stimulates neural pathways in the brain, fostering critical thinking and problem solving skills. Activities like sorting textures, playing with water, or engaging with sand, play doh, slime, or hard and rough texture in it encourages the child to solve problems. Children like to explore these things. All children I've observed, they love to play with sand, they love to play with water. When they feel the textures, they begin to explore the nature around them. So this helps them to develop the understanding of the world around them. So every day try that you create one activity which is beneficial for the child to learn about textures. Like you can one day just bring all the dirty cards and put them in a tub and ask them to wash them. It's a very fun activity, trust me, every child loves it. Then it is enhance cognitive, oh sorry, we have already discussed enhancing cognitive skills. Now we will discuss about support language development. As children interact with sensory material, they are exposed to new words and concepts. So while the children are exploring the different material, or they're being exposed to water, sand, they are learning new words. For example, I just had these pom poms. I hope you can see. I just filled it up with lots of a bowl with lots of pom pom, and one day I just hid some letter cutouts, and I asked the children to now let's explore, or let's find your name initial. So they thoroughly enjoyed it. So this is one of the very interesting activities that you can plan for your child. And with while they were finding the letter, they were feeling the textures, and they were just they were enjoying squishing it. So while they were squishing it, I was asking them like, what are you doing? So they were like, miss, we are pressing it. So I was like, so is it, how's the texture? They were trying to explain me that it's squishy, it's soft, it's furry. So that's how you can enhance child's language. Build fine and gross motor skills. Again, sensory play often involves actions like pouring, scooping, pinching, running finger through objects. These activities refine fine motor skills. Okay, so these activities refine fine motor skills, preparing young hands for writing and other precise movements. Like while I was just explaining you about this, that the children were exploring, they were pinching it. They were also learning the vocabulary. They were developing fine motor skill of, this grip of holding a pencil. So one activity leads to lots of learning, lots of skills which enhance in every child. On the other hand, larger sensory setups like obstacle course aid gross motor skills development. They are also helpful to uh, develop bigger muscles in your child's body, like running, the legs. They're using bigger muscles to run, then crossing an obstacle, eye, and the obstacle coordination. This all goes in hand. So it not only just sensory development, it is also the brain stimulation here. Okay, then it's about emotional social. Okay, encourage social interaction. Engaging in group sensory play encourages collaboration and communication. Whether building a castle in a sandbox, washing the cars, sharing a colorful slime, shaping a Play Doh. Children practice sharing through sensory play. They take turns, they share stuff, and they also become more cooperative and problem solving. Problem solving skills are the most important part of a child's mental development. Now let's go on to our next point. It promotes emotional regulation. Sensory play provides a calming and therapeutic outlet for emotions. Activities like squeezing, play-doh, playing with kinetic sand, or engaging with sensory bin helps children self-soothe and manage stress or frustration. So this is so important that you provide children with such stuff, so that they calm themselves down. They, if they have anything going in their brain, they the aggression, they try to release it through sensory play. Improve focus and attention by engaging multiple senses. Sensory play helps children develop concentration and perseverance. For example, exploring the intricacies of sensory bottle or the pattern of tactile board requires focused attention, which translates to other learning areas. Okay, other than all this, sensory play encourages creativity and exploration. Sensory materials like paint, clay, and water, and sand, it encourages open-ended. Like, children can be more creative. They can create anything they want to. They don't have to, the blockage of, no, you have to do this. Like in a class, at times, certain time, we give a worksheet, or we give any certain activity which has to be done. So in this sensory play, the child doesn't need to be given a specific focus, I can say. But what you can do is give them open-ended play through these activities. It helps fostering imagination and creativity. Children learn to experiment, take risks, and think outside the box. When you give them an open-ended activity, they start critical thinking, critical analysis, and along with that, the activity becomes open-ended. They have a lot of options to explore then. Setting the stage for innovative thinking. Now the last point, which is my favorite: facilitate sensory integration. For children with sensory processing challenges, sensory play offers a safe and controlled way to integrate and respond to sensory inputs. This is particularly beneficial for children with autism or sensory activities. Sensory play isn't just a fun pastime, it is a critical element in shaping a child's early development, providing children with varied and engaging sensory experiences, and not only supports their immediate growth and also builds a strong foundation for lifelong learning and adaptation. I hope today's vlog was good and learning for you, and I would love to have your feedback. If you're liking my videos or not, do drop in your comment and let me know what topic I should come up next with. Thank you.